This is an unboxing, installation, and initial thoughts review for this ESR soft case. I have an ESR case for my AirPods Pro that I absolutely love, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. It has ESR's Halo Lock technology built into it, which is why I bought it. I needed a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max that would be compatible with MagSafe, so that's why I picked this one up. So let's pop it open. I'm covering up a QR code here, but this is what you get in the box. There's a little QR code for support if you choose to avail yourself of that. Level up your MagSafe. Okay, there's really nothing to this. Quick and easy. It just pops right in. And I'm just trying out the buttons here to make sure that they work well through the case. And you can see the action button or the mute button works perfectly. And so do the volume buttons and the home. Everything looks good. One thing I really like about this is that instead of leaving a cut out for the lenses and leaving them a little bit unprotected, it actually covers them entirely. So I think that's actually going to be a really cool feature. You can see the MagSafe Halo there, MagSafe compatible Halo. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this on a MagSafe charger and see how it does. Perfect. Holds nice and strong. One thing I will say is this is a pretty thin case. I love the tactile feel of it, but because it is pretty thin, I do think I'm going to get myself a tempered glass screen protector to just to help protect it from falls. So there you go. I hope this helps.